Hello everyone, I am Ajaykumar and I am doing Python full stack web development course in Apponix technologies. I've done my BE in mechanical engineering and I'm a 2022 passed out. And due to the scarcity of jobs in mechanical field, I was planning to switch to a computer science field, and I thought and I got recommendations from my friends that learning web development courses is a very good choice. And I've searched in Google, and the best institute that came in Bangalore was Apponix Technologies, and I came to know about this via Google only, and I signed up for that. And as soon as I signed up, I got a call from the management, and I had an interactive session with the management, and I came to visit the institute. And after that, I've told the institute that I had zero experience in both coding and computer science based subjects, and they told me that everything will be done from the scratch, and they told me to attend a demo class. After attending the demo class, I got to know many things about these stuffs, and as they promised, they started from the scratch, and now I'm doing many courses like front-end part and back-end parts in web development, and I'm doing Django, Python and many other softwares which I have never heard of before. So the trainers are professionals, they're working professionals, so they have both company level experience and also teaching level experience. They share most of their experiences in companies, and they also teach interview questions also, which because they are attending and they are training for interviews also. So the classroom atmosphere is very good, and due to the less number of students in the institute, the quality of the teaching and interactive sessions are very good. So if I have to recommend to my friends about this institute, I'll definitely recommend them. And for web development courses, I think Apponix is the best institute currently. Thank you, Apponix.